Hello and welcome to POP's Keyword Research Tools. My name is Heather Cumens and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Page Optimizer Pro, and today we'll be walking through the new Keyword Strategy Tool. The Keyword Strategy Tool is designed to help SEOs and digital marketers to streamline their keyword research and content strategy development. Our recent updates to the tool have resulted in a quicker means of generating clusters of related, high-quality keywords based on semantic similarity and search intent. Now the first step is to create a new project by entering in our domain name and then clicking the Next button. Once we confirm our domain name here, we'll then give our project a name and click on the Next button. We'll then give our project a name and click on the Next button. From here, we're simply going to navigate to the Keyword Research tab and click the Create New button yet again. Select the URL, and then we'll add in the main location of our website as well as the main language being used on the site, and then click Start Now. From here, you can see that you're already in the Keyword Strategy tab. Now, the Keyword Strategy tool is used when you do not already have a list of keywords for your content strategy, unlike the Keyword Insights tool, which is a tool that's used when you already have a list of keywords ready. So first, we're simply going to navigate here and enter in the keyword or topic that we want to do research for. Now, the tool will begin the keyword research process by generating a list of top-level and supporting keywords from sources like Google suggestions and People Also Ask based on the target keyword that we've entered. Keep in mind that you can enter in up to 10 different keywords in this field, and each keyword will cost only 1 POP credit to run. In addition, you can enter in up to 20 competitor URLs to include in the analysis. Now keep in mind that your competitor URLs need to be for specific features or product pages instead of the main homepage. We'll now go ahead and click the Search Keywords button. The pop-up that's generated will tell us how many POP credits will be used in order to generate our data. The tool then begins to generate a list of keywords from both the AI and sources like People Also Ask, Google Suggest, and related keywords from Google. Now, once that list is generated, you'll see that they are not simply listed, but they're organized instead into clusters based on semantic similarity and search intent. These clusters will make it quick and easy to determine patterns, trends, and opportunities, and to set up your content silos based on your keyword research. Now, once these keywords are generated, you can actually use the filters to customize your keyword list manually. For example, you can choose just the People Also Ask or Google suggested keywords. You can filter by keyword intent, etc. Or you can use a combination of any of those filters. Now, you can manually choose your keyword list down here as well by simply excluding clusters that do not align with your keyword strategy, or even by clicking into clusters and individually deselecting keywords that you don't want to use. However, the new Filter Clusters with AI feature will use advanced AI prompts to analyze these keyword clusters with precision. This will use AI analysis to quickly identify those top-level and supporting keywords, greatly reducing the time that you spend navigating the clusters and selecting the up to 100 keywords to analyze and get the keyword data. The AI Clusters tool will also give you a list of the clusters and keywords that are best for your content silo. Simply click the Filter Clusters with AI, enter in your main topic that you generated the keywords from, and click Run. The result is an organized list of keywords by top level and supporting keywords. In addition, you can actually manually edit these keyword lists by simply unveiling the cluster and manually deselecting any keywords that don't align with your strategy, or even by deleting individual keywords from within the certain clusters. You can then either download this list of clusters from the button at the top, or if you would like to do a deeper analysis based on the keyword data, then we're going to go ahead and click the tab that says Get Keyword Data here. This is going to analyze our keywords for us. So if you're doing a manual analysis, you will need to par your keyword list down to 100 keywords or less, but the AI Clusters tool is going to automatically do this for you. With the keywords selected, we've clicked the Get Keyword Data button. The next screen here alerts you to the number of clusters being analyzed as well as the number of pop credits being used. Review this data before clicking Get Data. This first set of data is the basic keyword data, which is going to include your search volume trends of low and high, the difficulty score for the keyword, as well as the current rank and current ranking URL within Google. Now, while this basic data is great, to pull in the advanced data, we're going to select all of the keywords that you would like to analyze. Keep in mind, again, that you can individually deselect or select or even delete keywords from the analysis. Once you've tweaked your keyword list, then we're simply going to click the Get Advanced Metrics button at the top. This is going to pull in the advanced metrics for each keyword, including the keyword score, the SEO Competitiveness Index, or SCI, the all-in title score, and the KGR score. This pop-up, of course, will display the number of keywords being analyzed, as well as the number of pop credits being used to get the data. Simply click that Get Data button to proceed. Now, right out of the bat, you can see that POP gives us some unique data that is not provided by other keyword research tools. For example, the KGR score, or Keyword Golden Ratio, is a valuable SEO metric that helps identify low competition, high opportunity keywords for your supporting pages. Fans of avalanche theory will recognize the value of this particular metric. The keyword score is a proprietary POP metric that can help highlight the most valuable keywords for your SEO strategy. And the SEO Competitiveness Index, or SCI, is another proprietary metric that evaluates the level of SEO optimization for a given keyword based on how often that keyword is used in the meta title of pages and how many external links use the keyword in the anchor text. Both of these items can demonstrate a stronger on-page SEO effort. And all of these metrics are excellent tools in analyzing our propensity to rank for certain keywords. You then have the choice to either download all of this great data from this button, or we can also analyze these keywords with AI in order to get suggestions on which keywords to use as our top-level pages and supporting pages within our content strategy. By using AI, the time spent on keyword research is greatly reduced for both SEOs and non-SEOs. The data generated helps to make educated, data-driven decisions about the content that will most benefit the site. So in order to analyze these terms, these keywords with AI, let's go ahead and select all of our keywords. Again, you can tweak these keywords by taking any out of the analysis that you don't want to include. However, when you're ready, we'll simply click the Analyze with AI button and then enter in our main topic of the page once again. Clicking the Run button will start the analysis. Once the AI analysis completes, you can see that your data is now organized by top level and supporting keywords. As always, you can tweak these particular keywords by simply selecting additional supporting keywords from lower on the list by marking them as a supporting keyword. You can also swap out that top level keyword in the same manner. In addition, you can unselect or you can remove any of the keywords from the analysis as well by simply clicking the Hide button located beside each keyword. Now keep in mind that typically for our top level pages, our top level keywords, we try to shoot for a keyword score of 45 or above. And for our supporting topics, we typically look for a KGR, or Keyword Golden Ratio, of 2.5 or less. Now, of course, the color coding of both the keyword score and the KGR score makes for a really easy visual identification of our best opportunities. The darker the green, the better the keyword is in terms of both opportunity and ease of ranking. Now, once you've chosen your top level and supporting level keywords, you can actually generate POP reports directly from the keyword strategy interface by simply clicking the Generate POP Report button at the end of each row. Doing this will give you all of your normal options from the POP report, including the ability to generate an article with our new AI writer. As always, I hope that you found this information on our keyword research tool helpful. And as always, good luck optimizing.